and it's so dark outside. ये रात हो गई है, ये देखें इस वक्त बिल्कुल अंधेरा. ऐसे जैसे रात का वक्त है इस वक्त. इस वक्त दोपहर के 3 बज रहे हैं.
It is fun. You know what? Mom chooses to stay. I bet you can sleep right here.
I just gotta get off work in time.
Wow.
That's the thing I was
Hey guys,
Now Kyle Greenway.
now watch. We have 2 minutes of dark. I want to sit here and it's all gonna just become light at once. Yeah.
Oh, it's almost. Look at that.
Weird, eh?
It's like
Now
nighttime.
it's at its peak.
Yeah, just about.
Actually, you don't need to put the glasses down. It's at its peak, technically.
ये बिल्कुल जैसे.
There it is. There it is. Oh!
Oh wow, full.
There it is. There it is. Now take the glasses off. Okay. All right.
I wonder after those ones if those ones will.
लाइट्स दोबारा ऑफ होनी शुरू हो गई हैं. वो सेंसर
Yeah, there.
क्योंकि सूरज की रोशनी वापस आ रही है.
There's an airplane flying. Look, it's what is that thing? There's a
Oh yeah, helicopter.
Oh, yeah.
Plane.
ये लाइट्स अभी सारी ऑन थी और ऑफ हो गई हैं.
oh, what's going on?
ये देखें दोबारा रोशनी आ रही है.
That was hey, back to reality. I'm lucky.